The Perfectionist Chef. Once, there was a young chef named Luca who worked in a small, busy kitchen. He had a dream of creating the perfect dish. He spent all his time experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, hoping to create something extraordinary. Luca believed that perfection was the key to success. In the kitchen, he was determined. Each day, he tried new recipes, focused on every detail, and adjusted each dish until it met his high standards. His goal was to impress everyone with flawless food. But no matter how hard he worked, things rarely went as planned. His soups were too salty, his bread too dry, and his sauces never seemed to stay right. Every time he made a mistake, Luca would get angry with himself. He would toss the dish away and start over. The frustration built up day by day. Luca's obsession with perfection began to take over his life. He no longer enjoyed cooking. What had once been a passion now felt like a task. He stopped tasting his food. All he could think about was making everything perfect. One evening, after another failed attempt, Luca was ready to give up. He stood over the stove, his mind filled with doubt. Was he really cut out for this? Maybe he should just quit and find something else to do. But as he stood there, something strange happened. He made a mistake while preparing a new dish. He grabbed the wrong spice by accident. Instead of adding thyme, he poured in saffron. At first, he thought it was ruined. But then, he hesitated. He tasted the sauce. To his surprise, it was delicious. The saffron added a new flavor, one he hadn't expected. It wasn't the dish he had set out to make, but it was better than he had imagined. This mistake changed Luca's view on cooking. He realized that the process was more important than perfection. Mistakes were part of the journey. Sometimes, the best dishes came from unexpected errors. Luca began to embrace the mistakes. Instead of throwing away imperfect dishes, he tasted them, explored new combinations, and learned from them. The kitchen, once filled with frustration, became a place of creativity again. He started making dishes that were unique, full of flavor, and full of heart. Luca found that the most enjoyable part of cooking was the freedom to experiment and the excitement of discovery. His reputation as a chef grew, not because his dishes were perfect, but because they were real. People could taste the passion in every bite. His food wasn't flawless, but it had character. Luca began to see that life, like cooking, is full of surprises. Perfection wasn't the goal. The beauty of life came from embracing the imperfections. It was about learning from mistakes and finding joy in the process. From that day on, Luca no longer chased perfection. He cooked with joy, knowing that every mistake was a chance to learn and grow. His dishes, like his life, were no longer about being perfect, they were about being real. Thanks for watching Story Kindle. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories.